Hello everyone. We are Space Ventures, a group of young innovators from Bangladesh participating in the NASA Space Apps Challenge. Our mission is simple: to build the foundation for a sustainable and independent economy in space. The NASA Space Apps Challenge is the world's largest global hackathon, with participants from over 185 countries, supported by NASA, ESA, JAXA, CSA and CNS. In this platform, we are bringing a vision that is not about a single station, but about creating a shared energy infrastructure that empowers many private companies to grow together. Before we dive in, let us introduce our Space Ventures team. Kamrul Hassan, our team leader, guiding the vision and strategy. Abdul Wadid, our prototype designer, crafting intuitive and user-friendly interfaces. Samir Mohammed, our researcher, analyzing climate and satellite data to drive insights. Saifuddin Yasir, our developer, turning ideas into functional, interactive tools. Rakibul Hassan, our video editor, bringing our demo and visuals to life. Together, we are combining our skills to make space data accessible to everyone. Today, every space station must build its own massive power system, huge solar arrays, batteries, and backups. According to NASA's 2024 Space-Based Solar Power (SBSP) report, such systems are extremely costly and not sustainable in the long term. Imagine if every new orbital lab, hotel or factory had to spend billions just for electricity. That slows innovation and raises barriers to entry. What space truly needs is a centralized energy hub, a shared grid that provides clean and reliable power for all nearby stations. Just like cities on Earth rely on a central power grid, space also needs one. Our solution is the Space Energy Hub, a large-scale hybrid power station in low Earth orbit combining solar arrays with NASA's Kilopower nuclear reactor technology. Kilopower has already been tested by NASA and can deliver continuous power for 10-15 years. The hub will distribute electricity in two ways. One, wireless transmission, microwave or laser. Two, modular docking connections for stations that plug directly into the grid. This way, pharmaceutical labs, hotels, data centers, and manufacturing plants can focus on their missions without wasting resources on duplicate power systems. This will become the first shared power grid in space. With an energy hub, the orbital economy can rapidly expand. Pharmaceutical labs can focus on drug discovery. Space hotels can welcome tourists. Data centers can run AI processing and storage. Manufacturing plants can scale production in microgravity. NASA is already planning to deploy a 100 kW nuclear reactor on the moon by 2030. ESA and JAXA are actively studying SBSP as a long-term clean energy solution. Private partners like Google, AWS, IBM, and Planet Labs are supporting space innovation with data, cloud, and AI. Our energy hub connects directly to this future, reducing costs, accelerating innovation, and enabling a long-lasting commercial economy in orbit. Our vision is clear: energy as a service in space. The Space Energy Hub will be the first central power grid in low Earth orbit, powering a thriving multi-station economy for nations and private companies alike. Together, let's power the future of space. Our vision is clear: energy as a service in space. The Space Energy Hub will be the first central power grid in low Earth orbit, powering a thriving multi-station economy for nations and private companies alike. Together, let's power the future of space.